Right, here's a question where you have to deal with fractional exponents and radicals. So if you're dividing common bases, like we are right here, we subtract exponents, right? So it'd be x to the 4/3 minus a negative 8/3, and then y to the 2/3 minus 1/2. So if I subtract, I guess those two minuses will cancel the positive. So I'd have x to the 12/3, just add in the numerators, and y, okay, 2/3, that's the same as 4/6 minus 3/6. So that'd be 1/6. So this would be x 12/3 before, and y to the 1/6. Now you could do that on your calculator too. If you go 4/3 minus a negative 8/3 and 2/3 minus 1/2. If you just do those on your calculator, you'll get these things here. Now, since this is a fractional exponent, I can leave it like that, or the x would stay the same, x to the 4th, but then the y, you could rewrite that as a radical. So y would be inside, the bottom number becomes the index, and the 1 becomes the exponent to the y, which you probably don't need to write. So this would be your answer to that one.